Tennis is a foundation sport, and I think that if you do different sports, it develops different aspects, and it helps you just develop everything. Golf, you hit a stationary ball, and but tennis is a reactive sport, but it works on a different cognitive level. So my advice to parents is when your kids are in primary school, let them do whatever they want to do. And the same with high school. Maybe you start specializing in grade 10 when your academic load starts increasing, that you don't have time for everything.
Mm.
But I really, really do believe that cross training or doing different things is very important for overall development.
Yeah. So could you say like develop holistically, like do different sports, climb trees, do stuff, let your body develop
Yeah,
holistically.
yeah. I mean, it's very important because I think that the earlier you specialize, the more you put the body into the same um, physical routine every day.